This is a condensed problem walkthrough from our live streams. If you want to watch the full beginner breakdown, click to watch the full stream. You will see our thought process, debugging, and many mistakes. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Question is 169 majority element. Given an array nums of size n, return the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than the floor of n divided by 2 times. You may assume that the majority element always exists in the array. So for example, if you get an input of 3, 2, 3, the majority element is 3. If you get an input of 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, the majority is 2. Seems pretty simple, right? The way I'm thinking, like, without trying to do it in linear time or O of one space, is that you have I keep resorting to the dictionary, but I'm thinking of a dictionary. I'm thinking of we see the element 2, and then if we see it again, we add its value up in
Oh,
the
yeah, yeah,
dictionary.
yeah. Yep.
And then
I
you just
feel
return the highest dictionary, the highest value.
that is higher. Oh, yeah. I like it. I like it. We can brute force it like that.
But is that the brute force way?
I mean, if it's,
Let's just do it like that. Let's
I
do it
think
like
it
that and we'll
works.
see.
Okay. All right. So value of floor, we have loop through nums. Check if I is in dictionary.
Yep.
If not, add to dictionary. If yes, add +1 to its value. And then we have to find highest value returned right there.
So dictionary, let's create that.
Let me see. Let me see. Don't remind me. Don't remind me. Dictionary. Boom.
Yeah, I think so.
Woo.
Your cursor's in the way.
Oh, yeah, like
There you
this.
go.
Yeah.
You just spelled dictionary wrong, that's all.
Dictionary. Spelling is not the it's not mine.
No, I was just saying. I was just saying.
No, it's okay. No worries. No worries. I got you. I got you. I
All
got
right.
you. I got you. By the way, okay, so if for I in nums, if
Mm-hmm.
I no, for I right, I in nums, if I in dictionary, yes,
Yep.
I must set dict dictionary
I
I where you go plus
equals
equals
1.
yeah.
Else,
Oh
yeah.
my God, semicolon. Else dictionary
We
I
need to find a better name for dictionary. Because we always call it dictionary. We should just call it something else. And we can't call it the shorter version because you can't use that word. You can't,
because
like,
it's a keyword,
it's
no?
green. Yeah, it's a keyword or whatever. So, like, let's just call it D. I'm tired of this long word.
Bro,
I'm sick of it.
I don't even know how to spell it, bro. All right, like this, right?
Now let's print out the dictionary and let's
What we have?
see what we got.
Print the D.
All right.
Oof.
Oh my.
Oof.
Oh wait, no, we printed something out at the bottom.
Oh.
No, look at the bottom.
Oh, okay.
All
We
right.
got two. Yeah, we in here. We in here.
Okay.
We in
We
here.
in here.
We in here.
We in
Of
here.
course. Of course. Yes. So
Now we just
now,
return the maximum value, the key of the maximum value.
yes.
Let's do it. Let's do it the way we did it before without the
We d-
lambda. That's the thing.
did we?
Yes. But it's the ugly way.
Oh, with the for loop?
We said,
All right, go for
yeah,
it.
with
Go.
the for loop.
All right, go for it. Go
We
for it.
said for
Oh, items, no?
yeah, it was for x and y in
In
dictionary dot items. Okay. And then We had a if y was greater than the max, we had a variable called
Oh,
max or
yep, yep,
something,
yep.
and then you just added the key in it.
Uh, like this, right? No.
Max equals y. If
Uh-huh.
y greater than max equals x. Sorry, yeah,
No, why? No?
x, because x is the key. We want to return the
Yep.
key, which is
But
the
max is the
element.
value, no? So it's gonna be one, two, three. It's gonna find the maximum. So we have to find the key. Another variable called key.
No, because y is the value. We're seeing
So
if y is greater than what's the max. Oh, let me, yes, 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 yes,
in this one it
yes.
goes like that.
Wait, I thought you could do it with just one variable.
No, because one is the value like 323, and the other one is the amount of times 3 got repeated. So it can vary.
Okay, then yeah,
Right.
that's how you do it.
And
Good
then we
stuff.
get the key, right? And the key, all right, so we have max and key, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we go
Do you just
if,
return key?
yeah, return key. Hopefully that works. I'm not sure. All right, let's go for it. Yes, sir. Yes,
All right,
sir. All right, moment of truth, moment of truth. Let's see how it
submit it.
works. Hey, we got it. We
Okay,
got it.
okay,
Yes,
okay, okay,
sir.
okay.
That's a brute force way. That's a brute force.
You want
Yes,
to
yes, yes.
explain this one, and then we'll do the other way if
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can.
yeah, for sure. So,
Okay.
in here we're given a descript. The description basically says that we're given a list of nums, right? Which in the example one gives us 3, 2, 1, right? And this we have to find the a factor, right? Which is going to be the size divided by 2 floor, right? And this factor, we're going to use this factor to figure out the majority element, which means that the number, right? How do I explain it? Let me get my thoughts. Uh, okay, so whatever number repeats higher than size divided by 2 floor, right? That's going to be a majority element, right? And we can assume that for the majority element always exists, right? In this case, we got 1, 2, 3. We got a size of 3, right? We have a size of 3, right? So we got 3 divided by 2, which is 1.333 or 1.6, something like that. We get the floor and we get 1, right? Whatever element that repeats more than 1, right, that's a majority element. In this case, 3 repeats twice, right? So 2 greater than 1, of course, so that's 3 repeats. So that's a majority element. In example 2, we're given 3, 6, 7, a size of 7, right? So we go 7 divided by 2, which equals 3.5, I think. Floor it, we get 3. So whatever element repeats more than 3, right, that's a majority element. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 greater than 3, that's a majority element. So basically, in order to do this, we created a dictionary where we're going to track each number and the times that it repeats. In order to do this, we loop through the nums, right? 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, and we store it, right? And we track how many times it repeats. For example, 3 is going to have a value of 2 because it repeated twice. 2 is going to repeat 1, has going to be have a value of 1 because it repeated once, and so on and so forth. Now here we're going to try and define the maximum, right? The maximum number, well, the character with the maximum number value, or the value with the highest value, right? Why? because this means that it passed this factor, this little formula right here. So basically, we just keep track of max. Max is set to 0. If y greater than max, we set max equal to y. And then we keep the key. We keep the register of the key so we don't lose it. And we loop all the way until we find the maximum. And if we find the key, and then we just return the key. Yes, so that's a little bit of an explanation of what to do here. Yeah.
Just. If you made it to the end and love to support us, please hit the like button. And if you want to catch us live, turn on the bell notifications to be the first to watch. Don't want to watch the full stream? Don't worry. Click here to see another walkthrough of a LeetCode problem from our streams.